Zoom, discoteco. Zoom, discoteco.
If you're nostalgic for the Victorian charm, then I present to you my theme, London Calling. It's an eccentric British feel which celebrates the onset and spurt of spring. I've tried to take inspiration from the wallpapers which you see in ancient European houses. They are the wallpaper prints. And luckily I got this fabric and I thought that I'll just mix it up and give an accent of neon. And the entire ensemble, if you see, is very sharp and has like European feel to it. It's very neatly cut. And little detailings, like if you see, I've given like these buttons and also detailing at the back, which is like, highlighting the back seam. And also I've given like chudi pants, along with that it's a tent shift. And with that I've given like a summer jacket to wear on top, because it's very European and I feel the sombre color palette is adding to it.
So a jacket for spring summer in India, this is fine.
Yeah, this is a cotton jacket. It's without lining. You see summer jackets for men. So let's introduce a summer jacket for women. I think it's high time.
मेरा थीम सिटी स्प्रिंग है और मैंने जो कलर्स, फैब्रिक एंड गारमेंट डिटेल जो यूज़ किया है, मुझे लगता है कि उसको देख और हर एक डिज़ाइनर को ऐसा कुछ, अगर आप कुछ एक थीम लेते हो और कुछ जो कि दूसरों को समझ में ही नहीं आए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
आप कह रहे हैं कि ये देख के समझ आता है, ये किसको समझ आएगा?
ये हाई एंड गारमेंट है, ये सबके लिए नहीं है।
और ये जो बॉटम है, ये देखने से बहुत हैवी लगता है। You only sit on a couch and that's it. You can't move, you can't do very much.
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता, मुझे तो लगता है कि ये बहुत ही आपको एक यूनिक फील देगा।
आपको देख के थोड़ा लगता है it's a bit clown like.
Breathwear, according to me, is not just something which is wearable, but something which is also very commercially viable. So I've been inspired by the beam of the morning sun. I've used a basic peach color thing in the lining of my white garment, so as it increases the translucent element in it and also cuts down and nullifies the starkness of the color white. So as you see, there are holes in this garment. In order to take the concept forward, in order to take the concept of the beam forward, I've used faggoting detail in complete seams of my garment. These potli buttons, as you call them, have been used at the hemline just to signify the beams.
Are you a design student?
Yeah.
You are. I understand that you're trying to make a commercial piece that should sell, but firstly, you're in a competition here, a design competition. So how is this different?
Fact that I've used these kind of small things, which are basically made of cotton only, in the hemline, which probably would, it's adding a little drama to the otherwise simple silhouette.
But जो आपने detailing की है, I've seen it before. मुझे लगता है you're just trying to make a point of what might be different. But overall, when I look at it, I don't feel it's different from anything I may have seen. I mean, I've seen it before.
What is the first thing that crosses your mind when you say spring? Well, to a layman, they would think about a big green field with a lot of flowers. Well, to be honest, by default, that was the thing even I thought of. And I thought that was a perfect platform to start from. So keeping that image in mind, as a design student, I critically analyzed what it would mean to me. So I thought of being in the whole situation. When I would be there, I would see a lot of colors which would make me feel really happy, really good. So color therapy is the first thing I would want in my garment. The second thing which I thought of was when you're around so many colors, when you wear colors, you feel really happy, very vibrant. I started with two colors, which is orange and blue. The blue dies out and the orange continues.
Now let's talk about your shorts.
But you said that you want to reach to a lot of people. You think a lot of people would buy this?
In today's generation, everyone's trying their best to reach out and look bold and be like, you know what, I can do it. I believe that this would be it.
Like you said, that anybody who would think of spring would think of flowers, color.
Yes.
So how are you thinking different from everybody else?
Simple. There are no prints used. There is a little bit of self happening, but I've used simple fabrics to create the whole look.
I think it's fairly good. I think generally standard is very good.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that Aparna liked it.
Who's Shiva?
Shrivan is his own beachwear, his own brand.
हाँ. I think वो मेरा favorite outfit था.
मैं obviously मैं जीतूंगा, मुझे तो यही लगता है। मैं क्यों बोलूं कि कोई दूसरा जीतेगा।
गोविंद का कैसा लगा?
गोविंद का बहुत अच्छा था, मतलब उसको मुझे बोलना पड़ा वो सब, but I think he did a great job.
Okay, so we're ready with the results? Let's tell them it.
Hope for the best, and hopefully I'll be there next time thinking on my next presentation.